Hello and welcome everyone to another insightful video on Alex Connect Global Services, your hub for valuable career guidance. Before we embark on today's exploration of care jobs in the UK with visa sponsorship, take a moment to engage with us. Like this video, share it with your friends and loved ones who might benefit, and of course, subscribe to our channel for regular updates on career opportunities and advice. Now, let's dive into the heart of our discussion. The Independent Excel Care Consortium Limited. This renowned company epitomizes dedication to excellence in the care sector. It is founded on principles of compassion, dignity, and a commitment to creating a supportive environment. Independent Excel Care Consortium Limited stands as a beacon in the UK's caregiving landscape. For those of you dreaming of a career in the UK and seeking visa sponsorship, Independent Excel Care Consortium Limited opens its doors to you. This isn't just a job. It's an opportunity to be part of a team that values making a positive impact on the lives of others. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career in care, this could be a gateway to fulfilling the journey. Now, you might be wondering how to take the first step. Applying is a straightforward process. Head over to Independent Excel Care Consortium Limited's official website, where you can explore the range of available positions and initiate your application. Your path to a rewarding career in care starts with a simple click. As we conclude our exploration of care jobs in the UK with visa sponsorship, I want to remind you to engage with us. If you found this information valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with those in your network who could benefit, and do not forget to subscribe to Alex Connect Global Services. Your support fuels our commitment to bringing you more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best in your journey towards a fulfilling career with Independent Excel Care Consortium Limited. Toodles!